how are you all doing? I hope that you're all doing great at your places and safe. So, how about the rock stars? Rock stars, how are you all doing? I hope that you are going with your classes and referring your books and all. So, how about the videos like the previous thing what I said? Like you just need to take few of the videos. Remember about the left, right? Have you taken the video and sent? Are you gone with those concepts and all? Yes or no? No? Okay, that's no problem. But still you have some time. You can take the videos and you can share it in the school number, no problem. Okay? So parents just kindly go with the activities and all. As I told you like previously also, you can just go with the indoor activities and all in a fun way and in a learning way. So today let's go with the rhyming words. It's all about the rhyming words. So previously children, I told about the family words. So please don't need to be worried. Parents, you also don't need to be worried. I will revise all the sounds, the words of the family words and each and everything again. So no need to worry and don't panic also. So let's get started with today's class. And today I'll be teaching you one new rhyme. So children, are you all ready for that? Yes? Okay. So it's all about like skip to my loo. Fine? So let's get started with skip to my loo. So the first action is you need to roll your hands, the left and the right. Okay? So let's sing. If you don't know, you can repeat. You can listen to me first. Then you can repeat after me. So let me sing. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Then the next thing, I lost my partner, what will I do? I lost my partner, what will I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Okay? We will be starting from left side. Okay, no problem. Like you just need to search for your partner. Fine? Lost my partner, what will I do? Lost my partner, what will I do? Lost my partner, what will I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Fine? Let's do one more time. Hey, are you all like ready for that? Yes? Very good. Let's do one more time. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what will I do? Lost my partner, what will I do? Lost my partner, what will I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Very good. So nice of you. I know that you're all doing good. Yes? Very good. So as I told you, like today we'll be going with the rhyming words. Fine? So what are the rhyming words? You know, already I said about the alphabet, the letters and the sounds of the letter. Already I had taught you. So don't worry. Still I will revise all these things. I will cover all these things. So no need to worry. I'll take more videos only for the revision part only, not going with the concept, new concepts and all. So I will revise all these concepts in another videos. So no need to worry, parents. No, don't worry about all those things. From now, from the next video onwards, I will revise and I will give you the activities and homeworks also. So children, as I told you, so you have already gone with the letters, the sounds and the family words also. So what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two words. Rhyming words are two words. What are rhyming words? Two words which sounds same. Okay, which sounds same. So they are called rhyming words. I'll show you that how it looks like. So one more time I will say, the starting sounds will be different and the ending sound will be same. Okay, so if you are having like 3-letter words, okay, 3-letter words, and you are having many same words, like not same, different words, but you can find the first letter sound will be different, and when you go to the end, the last sounds will be same. So when these same sounds are coming, they are called as rhyming words. Like I'll tell you, there is a cat, okay, cat, and you can see the cat running after the rat. Yes, okay, the cat is running towards the rat. Cat, rat. You can see ka is a sound, r is a sound. Okay, k, r, both are different, but the last sounds are at. Okay, t, t, they are sounding t, t. So they are rhyming words. The first sound will be different, the first letter sounds will be different, and the last sounds will be same. They are called as rhyming words. Got it? The two words which are like same alike, two words like cat, rat. Cat, rat. See, you can see cat, rat. Similar, the sound is going same, but the first letter C, K, A, R, R, K, cat, R, rat. Okay, now I will tell you with some examples. Okay, see, you can see here I got some 4 words for you. It's all about like hug. Okay, this is called hug. What? Hug. Tug. Ugh. Ugh. You can see these are family words what we already revised, but still we need to revise more about them. I know it's really tough for you to go through all these family words. It's really not so easy to get. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Hug. Hug. Tug. 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 Okay, hug is like when you hug someone. Okay, when you go and hug your mom, when you go and hug your dad, hug. Hug me. Tug. Okay, tug is what? Like both the side, from both the side you will be like pulling. I want this and you want that, and like they will be like pulling from this side and from this side. That is called tug. Okay, so one more time, we'll revise this in a proper way. Okay, so this is hug. What? Can you repeat after me? Hug. Ugh. Ugh. You can hear ugh. The first sound is totally different. Here, tug, t, 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 t. See, the sounds are totally different, but the two letter sounds are really same. Ugh, 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 ugh. Hug, tug. Can you repeat after me? Hug, tug. Very good. So let's go with the next one also. The next one is cat. As I told you, cat, rat, rat, cat, rat. C sound is k. C sound is k. R sound is r. Okay, so you can see C sound and R sound are totally different, but the last sounds at are same. Why? Because they are rhyming words. Because they are rhyming words. You're understanding? So this is why we call them rhyming words. Cat, hat, mat, pat. Okay, all these things. So let's go with more family words now. So parents, you can just refer the page number 17 from the phonics book. Okay, page number 17. So you can just go through the words and make your child like to learn, read aloud with the sound. Fine. Okay, let's go with more family words. Fine. Now you can see I had taken its pin. What? It's a pin. Pin. P. P sound. Tin. T. You can see T and the P sounds are totally different. And the in and in, they both are same because they are sounding really same. So for them we will say it's a rhyming word. It's a rhyming word. Fine. Like even you have one rhyme like Jack and Jill went up the hill, Jill, hill. Okay, so these are rhymes are also like all the rhyming words. They use all the rhyming words in the rhymes. So that's the reason we even call that they are rhyming words and rhymes. So they are like really similar to each other. So children, no need to worry. So we will always we will even revise all the family words, so you can like go again with the rhyming words in a easy and a super way. So let's repeat pin. Please can you repeat after me? Pin, pin, tin, tin. Last sounds are same. In. Fine. Okay, the next one, can, can. Very good. Man, M sound is so man. Very good. So these are called as like rhyming words, and you have the books also. You can just refer. It's all about from the phonics book. You can just refer the books, children. Okay. So refer page number 17, and please you can just read aloud. Fine, your parents, they'll help you out to read aloud, and you can revise like whenever you feel like to. Okay, whenever you feel like to, you can revise. So now let's take a small break and let's go for the rhymes. Okay. Okay, so let's go with a rhyme. It's been like past few days that we didn't revise the numbers and all. So let's revise the numbers from 1 to 50. Let's go with 1 to 50. Okay. So what all you need to do means count with me. Count with me from 1 to 50. And we'll be clapping and we'll be doing some actions. So you need to have one eye contact on me, like what are the actions I am just changing away, and you need to follow immediately, otherwise like you're gone. Okay, so let us start. Okay, fine, let's sing. Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 50. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Hey, so how was it? You were counting along with me? It seems like somebody is like just seeing at me. I said like just look at me, and you are just looking at me. So you need to count with me. Fine, you need to count with me. Let's all do one more time. I'll be changing the actions. You need to continue the actions along with me, and you need to count the numbers. I know orally you can say numbers from 1 to 100. I know that. Okay, I know the rock stars, you all know numbers 1 to 100. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So let's get started with again. Okay? Start. Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 50. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Hey, superb. So we have revised from 1 to 50, right? Yes. So even at home also you can do this activity with your parents. Ask them to like, okay, let's mom, dad, come, let's go have some counting numbers and all. And one person, anyone should start the numbers from 1 to 50, and they need to say, and you need to have only eye contact, and you need to even see the numbers also. It's not that only you just need to see. You need to say the numbers also, and immediately. But here what I did not change the actions from like 1 to 7 or 7 to 20 in that way. So I took from 1 to 10, 10 to 20. Okay, in that way I had changed. Why means because you may get confused because of the numbers and all. So I did not change. I changed from tens only. So parents, you can just try this activity. It's really fun. Like till 100 also you can go. So one day we'll do till 100 also, no problem. I'll get more actions and more funny actions also for that. Okay, now let's get continue with today's topic is all about the rhyming words. Okay, so let's revise the the rhyming words and all. So they are all like even family words also. So when you're like perfect enough with the family words, and you will be knowing about the rhyming words easy and easier. Okay, so don't worry, we'll revise. I will take more videos, and I will come up with more fun activities with the family words. Okay, so parents, no need to worry about that. I'll be revising all the concept one more time. It's not that I will be just running away and just going away the concept and all. So let's revise the rhyming words one more time. So I got few more words. Okay, as I told you, rhyming words are when two words sound same. What? When two words sounds same, they are called as rhyming words. So here words are there and here words are there. So let us know which words like pronouncing and which words are like same sounds. So let's go with the first one. It's all about the hug. Okay, hug. Tug. What? H-U-G. H-U-G. Hug. T-U-G. Tug. Tug. Ugh. See, you can see the ugh is coming. Ugh is a common one. Okay, so common sound for both the words. Ugh is the common sound. Hug. Tug. Hug. Tug. Very good. Now please, can you repeat after me? Hug. Tug. Hug. Tug. Very good. So let's go with the next one. Peg. Peg, you know the small clips will be there. Peg. Leg. Peg. Leg. Egg. The sound is egg. Okay. Leg. Peg. Leg. Peg. Leg. Very good. So let's go with the next one. It's cat. What? Cat. And the same sound is rat. Rat. Cat. Rat. One more time. Cat. Rat. Very good. Pin. Tin. What? Pin. Tin. Pin. Tin. Very good. So the next one is cop. Cop. The officers, police officers and all, like cop. Mop. You need to mop the room. Clean out. Cop. Mop. Cop. Mop. Very good. Let's read one more time now. Hug. Tug. Hug. Tug. Come on everyone. Hug. Hug. Tug. Hug. Tug. Peg. Leg. Peg. Leg. Cat. Rat. Cat. Rat. Pin. Tin. You can see both the sides sound words are really same. Okay. Pin. Tin. Pin. Tin. Cat. Rat. You can see this. You can see the two words. Okay, here one word and here one word. So you're having two words. When two words are sounds, when two words sounds are same, they are called as rhyming words. Fine? You got it? Okay. So you just go and revise the concept for today's. It's all about rhyming words, and parents, Please revise phonics page number 17. Page number 17. Just make them to read along with you, and like afterwards just ask them to read aloud. Okay, so I will come activities with this also, with the rhyming words also. So parents, I just want to tell, like, don't need to worry about the family words and all. I will just revise and all the concept till now, whatever the concept I said, I will revise all the concept with more activities and homeworks. I'll be giving you homeworks and everything. Okay, so no need to worry. So this is all for today, and everyone just be happy and safe. So let's meet in the other video for tomorrow's class. Bye bye. So Jane was so surprised after seeing that, and quickly Jane and Ella had their sweet porridge. They were so tasty, and they were eating. Oh, both the tummies were totally filled. And Ella said, "Hey, Jane, I'm going out." But she forgot to say the magic word. Stop, little pot cooking, stop. She did not say that. And Jane also don't know what to do. So she went for out, and she was thinking, just now Jane ate na, so why I need to say? Okay, I think that she will not say anything. And she went, and Jane saw that the pot was filling and filling. It flowed. The porridge, it was flowing all over her room. And she don't know what to do. She was telling, "Stop, my little pot, stop, what you're doing," and all. She don't know what to say the magic word. Then finally, she you know what she did, Jane? She got up onto the table, because her floor, all the floor was filled with the sweet porridge, and she don't know what to do. She was standing, and immediately Jane was coming, Ella was coming from outside. She smelled something. Hey, it smells like the sweet. And she found some porridge were flowing under her door, and it was flowing outside the. And she went to the window and peeped and said, "Oh my God, the room is filled with the sweet porridge. What happened? What Jane did? Oh my God, I forgot to say the magic word to stop. This is all my fault," thinks the Ella. And she says, "Stop, little stop. Stop, little stop. Stop, little pot, stop cooking now." Okay, and she finally says the magic word to the pot, and the pot stops cooking. Both the sisters, Ella and Jane, they don't know what to do. How can we clean this room? It takes lot of time for cleaning this. What shall we do? Says Ella. Then Jane, you know how Jane character she's very hard, very rough, very rude with the people. Finally Jane says, "You know, Ella, many people are outside who are starving. They are very hungry. Let's do one thing. You go and call up everyone and make them to stand in front of our room. Let's give a bowl of porridge for each and everyone." And they did. In the same manner, Ella went to each door and knocked. "Come, we are having some feast over here. We will give you some porridge, sweet porridge, and come and have the delicious porridge." And everyone who were very poor and no food for eating, they all came to their home with a bowl. And Jane was serving, and Ella was giving into their bowls. So in that way, everyone had finished, and her room was become so clean than the before. So then they were thinking, oh, daily we can do these nice things. Jane was saying, I was so rude with everyone. I did not understand people's feeling. I hurted everyone. But now I realize them how it feels really good when we help each other. Yes, when we help others when others are in need. So finally one last beggar came, an old man. And the old man came and said, hey, my little child, please, I have my 5 children at home. They are unable to eat, they don't have any food to eat. Please, can you give the magic pot to me? And they don't know what to do. Ella and Jane, they started thinking, shall we give? Then Jane said, it's okay. We had nice food for few days also. It was really tasty and we had nice days. It's okay. Let us give the magic pot to that old man so that he can feed their little children at home. Immediately, Jane took the magic pot and gave it to the old man. Immediately the old man turns into a beautiful lady. And who was that? You know, the magic pot, who gave the magic pot? The beautiful witch. Okay, that was a beautiful witch lady who gave. The old man turns into the beautiful witch, and then Ella felt so happy. Oh, you came back. Then the witch says, I was so impressed. I'm so happy for that. You became so kind and good to others. Let the pot be with you only and do the serving all day. Okay, every day you cook food for the poor people. You cook the food for your poor people and be happy with others. So this was a story like how you felt. So this is a small fairy tale story, okay, all about Ella and Jane and how they need to be kind with the others and how they need to help each other when others are in need. So in this way you also need to make yourself in a good way, that you need to change your behavior if it is in a wrong way, or you need to be very kind with others. Don't be rude and all. Okay.